Guys, we're gonna start off today on Tiki Fire. We're starting with a little over $2,000 on a dollar dinar. Those are the progressives up there. Alright guys, let's get started. Let me get this fixed. Alright. Let's start with $25 bets. Put up the volume. So we're looking for 3 of these volcanoes or 6 of those lava balls. So Tiki Fire is the type of game that either it pays a lot or just pays nothing at all. There's no in between with this game. Let's see where we're gonna start. Oh, there it is. This is a fast bonus. Guys, before I start this, if you're new with me, consider subscribing and click that like button if you're enjoying this. Now let's get that hand pick, come on. So we need a lot of these multipliers. Well, $340. Come on. Oh, again? Nice. Alright, come on. Let's see those multipliers. Nope. $270. Not the greatest bonuses. Guys, I'm not complaining, don't get me wrong, but a $270 bonus is just it's about a 10, 11x for a $25 bet. That's nothing. That would be the same as if you were betting $1 and you win $10. Come on, Tiki. Alright, a couple more spins. We're gonna try a different dinam. Alright, last spin. Alright, let's try some 50 cent and $25 bets. Alright, let's try some 25 cent and $25 bets. Tiki is not liking me. Come on, Tiki Fire. Alright. Let's try some 10 cent and $25 bets. Alright, fine. Mini is $100. Nice. Let's keep it going. $650. Come on, no. Alright guys, let's go back to the dollar and try a few more on the dollar. Let's do $25 bets. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it there. Thanks for watching guys.